Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up and using the Slow DNS VPN app. This tutorial is for educational purposes only, to help you understand how to configure the app for better online privacy and a safer browsing experience. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device, search for Slow DNS VPN, and install the app. Step 2. Launch the app, tap the server name to view a list of available servers, and choose one that suits your needs. Step 3. Go to the Custom DNS section. You can select from reliable DNS options such as Google DNS 8.8.8.8 Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1. These servers are known for stability and performance. Step 4. Press the Start button to connect and begin your VPN session. Optional, Advanced mode. If you are an experienced user, you can enable Custom Slow DNS mode. Here, you can enter a DNS IP like 1.1.1.1 and leave other fields blank unless you have specific configuration details. Extra tip, you can extend your session by tapping Add plus 4 hours to increase your connection time. And that's it. You have successfully set up and connected using Slow DNS VPN for a more private and secure internet experience. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials.